a lash lift and thought, oh no, this curl is uneven? Don't worry, these mistakes can be fixed. In this video, I'll show you how.
Hi lash lovers! In this videos, we are diving into two super important topics. One, how to care for lashes after a lift. And two, how to self-score your lash lift. Especially helpful if you're still into training or want to level up your skills. Trust me, once you get these two down, your lash game will go to the next level. Let's start with your first self-scoring point, the natural lashes before the lift. If your client has super short and spare or extremely long lashes, and you still manage to create cleaned, lifted result, that's impressive. But if the lashes are already in great shape, say 10, 11, and 12, then your work needs to be flawless to really stand out. The more difficult the lashes, the higher your self-score, and the more impressed your clients will be. Like, if you can make the super short and stubborn lashes look amazing, that says a lot about your skill. This one must be a clean lashes equal quality result. If there's a level of makeup, oil, or mascara, it affects how well solutions work. So a proper clean lash line shows that you are professionals and detail-oriented. And next, remember to check the curls. Does it match the eye's eye shape? If it's too strong or too soft, the ideal curls is smooth, even, and gives the eye that opened and bright look. Next, don't skip the tricky part. A lot of beginners miss the lashes at the inner or the outer corners, or don't leave them evenly. So if you manage to get this right, big point for precision and control. If your client has light color lashes like blonde or light brown, thinning after a lift can make a huge difference. In countries like US or Australia, this is super common and helps the lashes look fuller and more defined. Let's talk about the aftercare result. Do the lashes feel smooth, flexible, and healthy? Or are they dry, crinkles, and splitting at the ends? If they still look shiny and strong, I mean you apply the product with proper timing and quantity. Another big self-score. And next, this is especially important if you are building your portfolio or posting online. Even if your work is amazing, blurry and poorly photos won't do it justice. Always take the clear before and after shot from the different angles, straight on, left profile, right profile, in the right natural light if possible. And there you go. Now you know exactly how to care for lashes after liftings and how to score your own work like pros. If you're prepping for a class or certificate or just building your confidence, save these tips, review your work, and keep improving. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments and I'm always here to help.